that success on the outside means nothing unless you also have success within. This is my dinner. I have eggs, fried egg, and yung ating ground turkey with vegetables. And then, I'm so excited to try this. This is my iced coffee, pumpkin latte. So this is our breakfast for today. We have our toast, our avocado, fried egg. Today is Friday and it's 5:56 in the afternoon. And kagigising ko lang after ng night shift ko. So it's my off today and I'm gonna walk. We're back from our walk. It's 7:32 in the evening, pero may araw pa rin, as you can see. Ayan siya. May araw pa rin siya. This is our dinner for tonight. I have some fried tilapia with onion, and then meron tayong grilled chicken. Nabili ko lang to dun sa malapit na Mexican restaurant dito sa amin. Kasi tinignan ko, malamig siya sa labas. So, shit. I'm done with my 3 miles, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another walking naman. So this is my breakfast. I have noodles with eggs, cucumber, leftover fried tilapia, and chicken. Nag-laundry ako kahapon and look at my shirt. Nagkaroon siya ng maraming, ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung cause may kasamang zipper yung kasama niya sa laundry or what. It's 5:27 in the morning and akala ko ako yung maaga. Pero may mas maaga pa pala sa akin. I got some fried siomai, pork rice rolls, wheat bread with eggs and other stuff, dried tofu, bread, ground turkey, almond bries, chicken breast, pasta, carrots, avocado.